$7,678. Now, guys, most people don't even make that in a freaking month, let alone 7 days. That is ridiculous. I turned my old annual income into my monthly income. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how she's making $48.75 per day online in passive income with no website, no product, and no experience. And her name is Dinero Daniela. This isn't her only income stream, but it's a pretty decent extra income stream on the side online, and she's just getting started, and she is a completely brand new beginner just like you. So guys, basically making $292.50 in 5 days comes out to a whopping $48.75 per day online in passive income. But if you notice, she literally generated sales as high as $198.50. And again, she is just getting started. So as stated before, this is one of many online income streams. So, I mean, just do the math there. There's a lot of online gurus talking about making $10,000 a day and $100,000 a month, and these unrealistic numbers that is damn near impossible for people to actually achieve. But I want to show you guys that someone who is a completely brand new beginner is making realistic money. What would an extra $50 per day or a little bit over $1,000, which is like $1,200 per month, do for you? Would that pay for your car payment? Would that pay for your rent? That's so beneficial. And additionally, once that money starts growing and getting bigger, you can eventually transition from working a job that you hate to doing this full time. But before I pull back the curtains and show you this 100% beginner-friendly method that requires zero techie skills, zero prior experience, zero customer service, zero selling friends or family, and zero creating your own products or websites, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Eric Ellis, the Wolf of Marketing. And I've been an internet entrepreneur for the last 7 years. And what I'm about to show you took me from dead broke, homeless, eating grilled cheese every day for months, to traveling the world full time and living life of time, location, and financial freedom. Literally, I made my dreams become a reality. So this is me in Europe. This is me in Germany, Berlin, Germany. This is me in Bali, Indonesia. This is me in Bali, Indonesia as well. This is me in Asia in the rice fields. This is me in Asia as well. So exotic locations, New York City. This is me in Cyprus, which is an island off of Greece. This is me also in Bali with the dirt bike, being able to do the things that I love and being able to do it with the people I love. So how freaking awesome is that? Whatever your dream life is, imagine being able to wake up and making your dream life a reality. And instead of keeping this to myself, I decided to pay it forward and teach a select few students like Daniela to see if they could get results too. And the good news is they're smashing it, to say the least. So what is it? Well, the beginner-friendly method is called affiliate marketing. And to keep it simple, what is affiliate marketing? You basically get paid to promote other people's products. For example, ClickBank is one of many affiliate networks where you can go ahead and actually promote products. If you see home, shop, promote, sell, learn, support, you can promote products. So there are thousands of products to choose from. And again, there's multiple places like JVZoo, ClickBank, so on and so forth, right? But just for example's sake, ClickBank, you would go to ClickBank, create an account for free. You would go ahead and actually find products in ClickBank. And once you go ahead and find those products, you would go ahead and then find a category of products that you'd want to go ahead and promote. And then once you find a product that you actually want to go ahead and promote, for example, this one is Lepto Connect. The average sell is about $116 at about a 75% commission. So as stated before, you get paid to promote other people's products, and they will pay you a percentage of every sale you generate. This is a weight loss product that on average is about $116. You promote it, get a 75% commission. That's like $80 every single sale. And all you do is click the big red button that says promote, generate your actual affiliate link, so the 75% commission, and then boom, you get your link, and then now it's time to start actually promoting it. Now, what does that link look like? That link looks like this. The cool thing is, as I stated before, you don't need a website. Meaning, instead of you creating a website like you have to with e-commerce and putting all these products and having to ship out products and so on and so forth, these are digital products that other people created. And when you generate a sale, they will pay you a percentage of that digital product. So let's just say it's a core sale and it's $116. You send people to this page. This page has a sales video that is going to do all the selling for you. And as people, obviously people who are interested in solving this problem, people who are interested in losing weight, they watch this video, they believe this product can help them lose weight. They're going to go and actually make a purchase of the $116 on average purchase. And you're going to go ahead and get paid 75% of that. So the good news is where there is a problem to be solved, there's money to be made. For example, there are literally thousands of products across hundreds of product categories, meaning products to help people jump higher, products to help people improve their marriage, product to help people lose weight, make money, find romance, learn a new language, right? If there's a problem to be solved, there is money to be made. But I always recommend starting with evergreen categories like health, wealth, and romance, because those aren't going anywhere. And there's a broad enough marketplace to where there's money to be made by everyone. So for example, here's a health product where you, as stated before, you just get your affiliate link and then you send people to the sales video. And once you send people to the sales video, they watch it, they buy it, you get paid a commission. This is Make Money Online. So people who are interested in making money online, you send them to the sales video, they watch it. If they are interested in buying the product, they buy it, you get paid a commission. You send people who are interested in romance, right? So health, wealth, and love. People are interested in learning how to talk to men or learning how to attract their desired dream man of their life, or if they're having relationship issues, you send them to the sales video. The sales video does all the selling. Once they make a purchase, you get paid, and you didn't have to create the product. You don't have to actually fulfill the product. You don't have to build this web page because they built the web page for you, so you don't have to have your own website. You don't have to do any of the work. All you have to do is literally bring the person there, and they're going to pay you 50 to 75% commission. And the way that the person who actually makes a purchase wins is because you're helping them solve their problem. So you're literally a superhero. And when you help them solve this problem by selling them products, you get paid big fat commissions. So this is a freaking awesome business model for beginners. Everybody wins. It's literally as easy as 1, 2, 3. Get your unique affiliate link, so when you send visitors to your system and sales are made, the commission goes to you. Step number 2, drive website visitors to your new system. Step number 3, let the system do all the selling for you, so when people buy a product that you didn't even create, you earn a commission. So how does she make $48.75 a day with less than 30 minutes of work? Daniela basically was one of my students of a small select group of people. She had a YouTube channel already in the Forex niche, so she was already making money before this. But I said, hey, are you interested in additional income streams, right? I can go ahead and actually teach you how to make some more money. So she decided to go ahead and actually create a video, just one video. The video got 600 views. And basically this is the video right here, how to make money online during quarantine, find fast online income streams. And that one video that took her, if you guys look here, that one video took her 20 minutes, so about 30 minutes worth of time if we're talking about planning as well. And she sent that traffic, having a call to action to tell them to click the link in the description. She sent that traffic to the sales video from her YouTube video that she made no investment of money. She literally just created a video on YouTube telling people, are you interested in making money online? She sent them to the sales video that did all the selling. And by the way, guys, this is my affiliate program. So this isn't on ClickBank. You can't find this on ClickBank yet. So you actually have to have access to this product to be able to promote it as an affiliate. But she decided to actually invest into herself. She's promoting it as an affiliate. And these are the results. Literally one video, 30 minutes of work. And she's made almost $300 and is averaging about $48 per day. And the cool thing is that these products that people are purchasing are monthly memberships. So that is $23.50 times 4. That's about $100 in passive income that she's going to be earning every month. And then when she gets more sales, she's going to start making more passive income. And she's just getting started. But what if I told you if you had a marketing budget, you could make as much as $1,000 a day? For example, I, the Wolf of Marketing, made $7,678.50 in 7 days promoting the same product that she promoted, where she's making $50 a day. Guys, that's just getting started. That's the limit. She's gonna make way more than that, but I'm gonna show you guys that I make over $1,000 a day promoting the same thing with simple little Facebook video ads. So for example, I spent $2,168 and I made $7,417 in revenue with Facebook ads. Now you're probably thinking, well, Eric, I can't spend $2,000 in a week. But imagine, let's just go ahead and actually say, let's just say you did 10% as good and you spent $200 on Facebook ads and made $700. That's like legally printing money. And then you're going to reinvest that $700 into more ads and make about $1,500 to $2,000. Then you're going to reinvest that money. And then you guys can see how that's going to go to compound and make you a whole bunch of money. And what I did is I literally sent this little video ad right here. It's a lifestyle ad that I created. And if you look here, 520,000 views. Now, that's not how many views that it got within that 7-day period, but I'm using this ad and other ads like it to basically get people to this page right here. Once they make a purchase, you get paid big bucks. So if you notice here in the back office, May 24th to May 34th, May 31st, that's the 7-day period. That's $7,678. Now, guys, most people don't even make that in a freaking month, let alone 7 days. That is ridiculous. I turned my old annual income, my first job ever, my old annual income into my monthly income. I make more in a month than I used to make in a year. But again, we're not here to be unrealistic here. Just imagine making an extra $50 to $100 per day will be freaking life-changing for you. I just want to show you what's possible. And the best part is, as an affiliate, you don't have to create the ads either. The right program will give you ones that are already working and making money. For example, if you guys decided to partner up with me in my affiliate program, I will literally give you the marketing materials. So that way the ads that are working and everything that's working, you literally just copy, paste, and profit. Copy and paste the ads that are already working, copy and paste the affiliate link, because you don't have to create your own website. You're just going to go ahead and get your link. Get those two together. Either do free marketing methods like Daniela did if you don't have a marketing budget, or you can go ahead and, if you do have a marketing budget, invest that marketing budget. And as stated before, invest $200, make a couple hundred, and then reinvest that money and then just continue to compound that income. And additionally, with paid ads, your workload doesn't increase, your budget does. What does that mean? That means with less than an hour per day, you can get to $100 a day, $500 a day, $1,000 a day, and so on. Same work, more money. So this is the perfect work smart, not hard online business model for beginners, meaning the amount of time that I spend managing my ads does not change, whether I'm spending $100 a day on ads or whether I'm spending $1,000 per day on ads. So all that means is that my workload doesn't change, meaning I don't have to work harder to make more money like you do in a typical job. I could literally continue to spend less than an hour per day and make over $1,000 per day because the workload doesn't increase. My marketing budget does. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys. But either way, whether you do free or paid marketing strategies, you can make a full-time job quitting income without building some complicated website or having your own product. You just need the right system. So the question is, how can you get started? You're probably interested, you want to get rock and roll, you want to get started. Here, I'm going to go ahead and do 90% of the heavy lifting for you. I recently launched a very, very small test group that Daniela was in, along with a couple other students. There's going to be a link down below or a button down below. Link in the description if you guys are watching this on YouTube. Literally go to the first link in the description, or there's going to be a button down below. There's going to be something down below to where you guys can literally go ahead, click that link on or around this page, and it'll go ahead and basically give you guys more information on a completely turnkey plug and play system that makes earning online commissions as easy as copying and pasting. Now, what am I saying here? Literally, you're going to be able to copy, paste, and profit. So as stated before, you're not going to have to create the website. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys the same website that I'm using to make $1,000 per day. And additionally, right, I'm going to give you the ads. I'm going to go ahead and give you the websites. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to set everything up. And aside from that, I'm going to go ahead and just basically give you guys general marketing education. So that way, whether you guys wanted to promote this specific product or any product in any niche that you're passionate about, you will be able to make money without a website, without prior experience, without crazy techie skills, without talking to a single person. If you don't like selling, if you don't like speaking to people, you don't have to. You could literally go ahead and hide behind the computer, create ads, get those ads in front of people who are interested in solving that problem, get them to the sales video. They watch the sales video, they make a purchase, you get paid a commission, right? You don't have to speak to a single soul. This is the perfect business model for you guys. But basically what I was saying is that I open a small select test group, and if you guys click the link on or around this video, you will get access to those students who are part of that initial test group, and you'll be able to actually hear from themselves. Additionally, I'm opening up that small test group opportunity again. I'm taking in a little bit more students. I'm not taking a lot because there's only so many people that I can go ahead and work with. I want it to be an intimate setting to where I'm working with a select few people. And guys, you need to hurry up. After we reach capacity, we will be closing the opportunity. And when we reopen, we will either double or even triple the price to get started, because guys, it's freaking peanuts compared to the value you guys are going to be getting. So click the link on or around this video. If you're on YouTube, there's going to be a link in the description. If you guys are watching this on Facebook or on anywhere, on emails or somewhere, there's going to be a link on or around this page that you can click, get access to, hear from the initial people who are in that actual test group. And for freaking peanuts, before the price gets jacked up out of the freaking roof, you guys can get access to this 90% done for you system. Obviously, you got to go and get things set up, but literally get more information. There's no obligation. You have nothing to lose. Literally click the link down below, watch the video, and see if this is a good fit for you. If it is, it'll let you know if we are still taking people on board, how you can go in and get started. But stop hesitating, take action now, because this will not be available for long, right? So click the link on or around this video, take action, and I look forward to hopefully, if it is still available, seeing you on the inside.